The video you are watching right now is being delivered by an AI avatar. This entire course, the Platinum Producer Blueprint, the Beat Making Bootcamp, every module of every course on this platform was created using this technology. No camera crew, no lighting setup, no filming days, just scripts, a HeyGen account, and a clone voice. Here's how to do exactly what I did. Go to heygen.com, sign up for an account, they have free trials. Record a 2-minute video of yourself speaking naturally to the camera. Upload it to create your personal AI avatar. This only needs to happen once. Then clone your voice by recording 30 to 60 seconds of yourself speaking in a quiet room. Now you have a digital version of you that can create unlimited video content from text alone. Write your script, paste it into HeyGen, select your avatar and your clone voice, click Generate, download the MP4, embed it in your course page, your YouTube channel, your Instagram. One script, one click. Done. This is how you build courses, promotional content, and educational material at scale without ever being on camera again. You only get in front of the camera one time to set up the avatar. After that, never again. Module 2.